guys, so I've had the bypass mod on for a little while now, and I gotta say I really do love it. It is a lot louder when you're under wide open throttle, and the pops are a lot louder, but otherwise it's very tame when you're cruising on the highway, whether it's 50, 60, 70 miles an hour. There's no drone. It sounds exactly like stock. There's no difference to it at all. But then once you get on it, you can definitely hear it. It has a much deeper growl to it, nice tone, not obnoxious, not fart canny, and the pops sound like gunshots. So I really enjoyed it. I took the car to Carlisle, if anyone saw me there. So it was about 2.5 hours each way. It was a great cruise. Sounds great, a lot of fun with the exhaust now. It makes the car a lot more fun to drive. Cold start is a lot louder, but as soon as the high idle kicks down, goes to warm idle, which you guys heard in the video, it sounds just like stock. So overall, for the money, it's a great upgrade. I got mine done at JDM Engineering over in Freehold, New Jersey. So I definitely recommend it. Have a shop do it for you, and I do not think you'll be disappointed, especially what you pay for it. Another thing to note too is that I do have the exhaust valve defeat module plugged in as well. So my valve does stay open all the time, which I have mentioned in the video prior. So all these sound clips, the valve is open 24/7, whether it's in sport or it's in regular mode. So I definitely think that is a must do if you do this bypass mod, because you're gonna get the true sound all the time, and it's not gonna make that little puffing noise from the valve being closed. So you're gonna get that full sound that's similar to a muffler delete, but a little more tame than that all the time. So definitely a good idea to make sure that you have that exhaust valve delete module as well.